powder, baking powder, paneer, vanilla essence, eggs. Eggs are optional. Buttermilk, salt, sugar, water, baking soda. We will take 3 cups of flour. Now we should take 3 cups of sugar. Add 1.5 cup of cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Teaspoon of baking powder. Now little salt. Now mix all the dry ingredients. Mix it slowly so all mixes together. After you mixed this, add some coffee powder and again mix it. Now, after you finish mixing it, keep the bowl aside. Now, I have finished cracking my egg in a new bowl. Now, we will give it a mix. 1.5 cup of oil. Now, give all the wet ingredients a mix. Now, add the wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. Add 1.5 water for the dry and wet ingredients. Now, we are going to add some milk before mixing completely. So now our cake batter is ready. Now keep that aside. We will use a cake tin and apply some butter. Next keep in the butter paper. Now we are going to pour this batter into this cake tin. Now our cake tin, inside the cake tin we have put on our cake batter. Now we are going to keep this in microwave. Let us keep it in the microwave. Before keeping this, you should preheat it. Cake has cooled down. Now let us open it. See friends, the cake has come good. Let us check if it is cooked well. See, if nothing comes out, the cake is ready. Now let us leave it to cool down for 5-10 minutes. Now the cake is ready. I have kept in the freezer for 1 night. Now we are going to do frosting for this cake. See how to make the frosting. For the frosting, you should take some paneer and sprinkle salt on it. I have already sprinkled. Now we are going to grind it with a mixer. Now our cream cheese is ready. We used paneer to make a cream cheese. Now we are going to put the cream cheese into a bowl. Now we are going to add half butter into our cream cheese. Now we are going to mix our butter and cream cheese. We have finished mixing it. It is soft like a cotton. Now we are going to add some 1 cup of cocoa powder. Now we should mix it again. Now we are going to add some milk before mixing completely. So add 1 cup of powdered sugar. While mixing, you can add one by one. You have to maximally take 4 cups of powdered sugar. Next, add some milk again. Now the chocolate ganache is ready. It should be in the thick. So it is good to be apply on the cake. So let us take the cake now. I am going to use this and keep a little here so the cake sticks there. I'll show you after I keep the cake. Like this, apply neatly. See, I have finished applying the chocolate cream. Now we are going to place this on the piece of cake. You can use a parent's help to do this. See, we can see. See, we have put the chocolate layer here. Now the same chocolate layer we are going to put up also. I'll show you after I put it up. You can smoothen it with a knife, spoon or a fork. I am using with a knife so it flattens properly. Now see, I have covered the top and the sides. You can even do this at your home. I am going to do designs up and down. See, I have finished topping the sides and the upper part softly. Now we are going to keep this in the refrigerator overnight or a day until it's get shiny and soft. When we touch, it should not come like this. Until that, we'll keep in refrigerator. I'll show you afterwards how it looks. Now we kept in the freezer. Now let us make the cream to write the name on the cake. Let us see how we are going to do that. We have removed the cream from the Oreo biscuit. We can use the Oreo biscuit. Now let us use the cream and add some milk and mix it together. You can even use 2 to 3 biscuits. I have used 5 biscuits. You can even use whole cream. Now our mixture is ready. Cream mix. It will be soft and a little bit of thickness. In this stage, you can mix one time. Now keep this aside and take a small sheet and roll it like a cone shape. I'll show you after I do it. Now I have rolled it in cone shape. Now we are going to tape it here. My funnel is ready. Now let us keep this aside. Now the second way of making the cream for writing the name. First take little bit of icing sugar into a new cup. Now take some milk and add little time while mixing. See, be mixing, the color will change of the icing sugar like this. You should be adding some milk so it will be good. See, now our icing sugar mix is ready. It will be like gluey. Now we are going to put this into our piping bag. I'll show you how it looks. Our piping bags with creams inside is ready. This is made out of icing sugar, which is used to write on our cake for name. And this is our chocolate ganache, which is leftover. You can even use this. Let us keep the piping bags in a different place and take out our chocolate cake. Now it has been came out of the freezer. Let us see how. When we touch it, it doesn't come out. So only we keep it in freezer. Now we are going to do the topping for it. We are going to write the name on this with the icing sugar cream. I will show after I write it.